So today I'll be showing you how to permanently delete your Instagram account. Now, this works on both Android and iPhone. All you have to do is just launch the Instagram app on your phone, and maybe you want to first of all back up your data. Okay, so you might want to start by backing up your data. So just go to your profile page, and on the profile page, tap on the three-line button in the top right corner, and then go to Account Center. Under Account Center, go to your information and permissions, tap on that, and then tap on download your information, tap on that, and then you can request to download or transfer your information. So just tap on this one, and then select Instagram, tap on next. It's going to ask how much information do you want. You can just select all available information, and then you want to maybe download to the device or transfer to a destination. It's better to just download to device. Okay, and then hit create files. Now once you make that request, then you kind of have to wait a bit, 15 minutes to sometimes it takes long, even a day, and Instagram will prepare all your Instagram information and send it to you in a zip file. Okay, now having done that, after you receive that particular downloaded information, now you're ready to actually go ahead and delete your account. So now to actually delete your Instagram account, tap on the profile icon and then tap on the three-line button in the top right corner and then select Account Center. Under Account Center, tap on Personal Details and then tap on Account Ownership and Control, and then tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Now select your Instagram account or the Instagram account you want to delete, and then you have the option to deactivate, which is temporary, and also you have the option to delete account. So select delete account. It says when you delete your Instagram account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be permanently removed. If you'd like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate your account. So since we want to delete permanently, tap on continue after selecting that. And then it's going to ask you if you have a reason why you want to delete your Instagram account. You can just choose something else if you don't have a specific reason, and then tap on continue. It's going to ask for your password, so just go ahead and type in your password. After typing in the correct password, tap on continue, and then now it says confirm permanent account deletion. Now it says if you continue with account deletion, your profile and account details will be deleted on 9th May 2025. So that is exactly 1 month from now. And it says you won't be visible on Instagram between now and then. You can cancel the permanent deletion process at any time before the process starts through Account Center or by logging into your Instagram account. So let's go ahead and tap on delete button. So if you delete account, if you select delete account, then you have up to 30 days before you can change your mind and maybe try to reactivate that deleted account. Okay, but since you want to delete, just tap on the delete button, and that account has now been deleted. Now fortunately I had a different account signed into the app, so the other account that was here has been permanently deleted. That is basically how to delete an Instagram account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section and we will get back to you. Good luck.